few, little. Few is used countable noun, plural countable. Few is used before plural countable noun. It is used before uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. It takes singular verb, plural verb. Plural verb. It takes singular verb. It takes singular verb. It is used before plural countable noun. In any sentence, there is no difference in sentence. You can use few, it is few countable noun, little uncountable noun, singular verb. Did you understand? But what is the another word? A few. A few. Here few is used in negative sense. Be careful. It is used in negative sense. Negative sense, not negative sentence, negative sense. If you use, it will give you, I will tell you, don't worry, I will give you example. It will give you negative sense. It will also give negative sense. It will also give negative sense. Few is used. Few is used. Plural countable noun, plural verb, but it shows negative sense. It is negative sense. But a few will give you positive sense. A few will give you positive sense. Positive sense. This also gives positive sense, a little. I will give you one more. Positive sense. Positive sense. Really, what is the meaning of few? Few is equal to not many. Few is equal to not many. Little is equal to not much. Not much. Did you understand? Students?
Yes.
Dushchi now? Dushchi? Dushchi? Now Dushni? Okay, a little positive sense. A few. But there is really the few. Yeah, what is the meaning of a few? Its meaning is some. Some. A few. Here also, what is the meaning of a little? Its meaning is some. Some. That's why it is positive sense. I will tell you one example.
Negative sense or positive sense
ମୁଁ କହିବି କହୁଛି ପରା ଆଗ ବୁଝ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ବୁଝଟି ଦେଖ ଉଦାହରଣ ଆସିଲା ଏଠି plural verb, plural countable noun, plural verb. Plural countable noun, plural verb. It is uncountable noun plus singular verb. Singular verb. You say there is a little one, there are few students in the class. There are few students in the class. There are few students in the class. So, there were few students in the class, so Bhattacharya did not take. So, Bhattacharya did not take the class. Bhattacharya did not take the class. Did not take the class. अर्थ कौन है जो तुम 100 पिला अच्छ मोटे 5टा पिला थी तो क्लास करी हबो कि दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्यू बुझ पड़छ ना दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्यू यो देयर आर 11 players for a team. There are 11 players for a team. Another example I am giving you. There are 11 players for a team. A team consists of a team. Another example. A team consists of 11 players. 11 players. The team could not go. अर्थ बुझ the team cannot attend as few players were present. Few players were present. Did you understand? Yeah, गोटे सिचुएशन को जाइकि ही तमे आनिम यू से यू मनकर तुमको दरकार 20टा बही तो बापा तो मार्केट में मिलला 2टा बही मिलला तमें कौन कह जी बही अच्छी 20टा बही अच्छी 20टा बही दरकार किंतु तुम पाखे लिटिल दुसुन रे पिले 20टा you need 20 books but you have only 2 books. What will you answer? I have few books. सेमिति मनकर म कहबो you are not at all interested for story books. नो शाम्बले बहुत पड़ेगला जोड़े साटिस्फैक्शन आसीबो 20टा बही थिबो तो मो 2टा बहीते तो साटिस्फैक्शन आसुकी आउट उदाहरण मु दउछि देखो you are not interested for the story book, so there are few story books in my home. I am not interested for the story books. Listen carefully. I am not interested for the story books. So there are few story books at my home. There are few story books in my stall, on my table. There are few story books on my table because I am not interested. बुझी पड़ी ना बुझी पानी यो ना किए मु का कहती जब वंदना इज a dumb girl. She speaks few words. Vandana is a dumb driven cow. जानछ ना वंदना जे कि किछि कहबनी चुपचाप बसथिबो किछि प्रश्न पचारियोनी ताको कुआ जे डम्ब ड्राइवन काव मुक बधिर गाई बुझपछि ना जे किछि प्रश्न पचारियोनी वंदना इज a dumb driven girl. He is asking few questions. Do you understand? But Simran is a very clever lady. She is asking a lot of questions. she is asking a few questions. She is asking a few questions. Simran, are you here? अच्छो तो बंजना बंजना अच्छो तो प्रश्न पचार कहीं मु जानी पाऊनी मु सर मु बंदना बोली कहता सर आई एम बंदना ओके बोले मु जानी में ओके ओके बंदना क्यों से बंदना is a dumb driven girl. He is asking few questions. जन जो गोटे मुक बधिर हो केतक पिला अच्छा जो माने कि खाली शुणुवे गोटे प्रश्न पचारे ओके बंदना पचारा मुझे कहूनी खाली उदाहरण देली बंदना को एमती केतक पिला तो क्लास देख बहुत कम पिला अच्छा जो माने कि प्राय प्रश्न पचारती जदि गोटे पिला 60-70 प्रश्न पचारे दीटा कि 3टा प्रश्न पचारे आम कहवा कि पचारे कि चिन्मयी Bandana is asking few questions, but Chinmay is asking a few questions. किए जो बड़ा बड़ा होची a few questions. किए बहुत प्रश्न पचार तुझे चिन्मय या यार अर्थ है some questions. Chinmay is asking a few questions, but Bandana is asking few questions. Bandana is asking few questions. Difference कौन? Bandana is asking few questions. हाँ, Bandana is asking few questions, but Chinmay is asking a few questions. अरे, wait, बंद करन टिक्के अपेक्षा करो, अपन चिन. Did you understand, students?
Yes.
Yeah, little, the little. Yeah, come on, the little. The little, it is one of the few questions. It is the few questions. It is the few questions. Allah. Really D is equal to D रो सेमिति किसी मीनिंग नहीं students just I am going to tell you what is the meaning of D जल्दी देखो D few is equal to A few D few equal to A few yeah A few is equal to D few, but it is, if you want, it is one of the few classes. It is one of the few classes I have enjoyed. I have ever enjoyed. It is one of the few classes. जो किछिटा क्लास नहीं जो तमर मु किछिटा क्लास नेली ता भितरु ये होची सबटु बहुत आउ एंजॉय करिया भितरे ये गोटे क्लास अर्थात एते दीटा कौन सी अर्थ नहीं ए फ्यू कहले दी फ्यू होला किंतु एटी कहला पर्टिकुलर हैला डेफिनाइट तले पर्टिकुलर और डेफिनाइट केस पर्टिकुलर डेफिनाइट तले दी फ्यू आमे व्यवहार हेबा तार अर्थ जो मात्र ए फ्यू इट इज वन ऑफ द फ्यू क्लासेस आई हैव एवर सीन Bandana is one of the few students who remain silent without asking the question. Bandana खाली मैं उदाहरण दूँगा.
Yes.
Bandana is one of the few students in first year who is not asking any question. Did you understand? Here, the few has no meaning. आप प्रक्रिया रही गला तेणु उठी हमें दी व्यवहार करा गला. किंतु आसो लिटिल कौन आसला ठीक देख लिटिल नेगेटिव सेंस तुमको बहुत शोष होची तुमको बहुत शोष होची एतिक टिके पानी मिलला भुजिक जाइच अरे भोक होची भुजिक जाइच सबु जाक राग होइची खाई पाइलोनी किंतु किछि किछि खीरी दे खाई पळि आसिलो घर को आसिलो माँ पचारा भुजी खाइबु रे हाँ खाइले किछि लाभ नहीं पेट पुना तो खाया को दे बुझिपारछु ना सेमिति आई ड्रैंक यार उदाहरण कौन हम आई ड्रैंक लिटिल वाटर I drank little water. I drank little water. I could not quench my thirst. I could not quench. I could not quench. Quench बोला कौन? QUENCH तुसा मेंटाइवा. I could not quench or satisfy. Mentaiva. Satisfy my thirst. Okay, I drank. You say, I could eat. I could eat little food. I could eat little food. I could eat little food. I can manage. I can manage. I can manage. Did you understand? Sure. It is semti. It is semtika. It is one of the few. It is one of the few companies. किंतु एठी नाही तार सेमती आमे जो लखि परिबा it is one of the it हेई परियोनी आमे little is equal to not much, few is equal to not many. ये negative sense बुझ पालता negative sense कोन negative sense अर्थ होची कौन रखे आई कुड ईट लिटिल फूड मु खाद्य खाई पारली हला आई कैन मैनेज मु खाई मैनेज कर देबी बहुत राग ही जदि जोटा कि तुमको मन कर देख दी अरे खरा दिन होता मन कर ग्लास था तुम बहुत शोष होची तुमको बहुत शोष होची एतिकी पानी अच्छी कौन रे ये हला लिटिल बहुत शोष होची ग्लास रे एतिकी पानी अच्छी किंतु एतिकी तुम जीव शोष होची तुमको ग्लास टी पानी दरकार एतिकी पानी अच्छी ताले एटा कौन हला एटा हे गला ए लिटिल बुझ पड़ला ठीक बुझ पड़ले कि रे तुमको शोष होची ढोके पानी मिलला आर यू सैटिस्फाइड नो तुम भूक बहुत भूक होची गुंडे भात खाईदेला आ सुधा खाई पाइलनु हो कर भुजरू पलि आसिल तो खाइच ना नहीं खाइच गुंडे भात खाइच बुझ पड़छ ना एनी डाउट टाइम इज ओवर okay next class we shall discuss our topic is over tomorrow activity 10 पर्यंत तुम करके आसथिबो क्वेश्चन आंसर करबो बर्तमान रिवीजन कर देली बर्तमान एक्टिविटी 10 पर्यंत रिवीजन हे गला नेक्स्ट क्लास we shall discuss the use of article okay